What is a mortgage? A mortgage is nothing more than a security instrument. When the bank lends you money, they ask that you provide some sort of guarantee of repayment. The debt is personal, meaning they can only sue you to pay back if you fail to do so. But a guarantee is a token or something of value that can be repossessed or taken from you. So, two very common transactions that offer security are car loans and house loans. In the example of a car loan, if you fail to pay back the bank, they can repossess the vehicle, auction it off, and the proceeds from the auction, along with its costs, are deducted from the loan balance. If it's paid in full, you do not owe anything. In fact, if they get more money, you get the remaining balance. But that is rarely the case. Usually, you can be sued or notified by the bank that you have a shortage. A shortage is simply the difference of what is still remaining after the collateral has been repossessed. The same applies to a home. When the bank does not get paid and you breach the mortgage, the lender can initiate foreclosure proceedings, which has regulations that must be strictly complied with according to state law, and the length that it takes in time varies state by state, but ultimately the result will be the same. The lender will auction the property, a high bidder will be the winning bidder, and once the transaction closes, the lender will have sold the home and gotten the proceeds from the sale. If the proceeds are enough to pay off the loan, the borrower gets whatever is left over. If the money was not enough, the borrower still owes the lender money, but they no longer have collateral. What is a borrower to do in that situation? Well, nothing. If they could not already pay for the house when they had it, what do they have to lose now that they actually lost the home in foreclosure? Most lenders will simply write it off, since there's no point in spending money in trying to collect bad debt. Other lenders, mostly local or regional lenders, will try to pursue a deficiency in court against the borrower and try to get a judgment. According to the rules, judgments in court are valid for 20 years. And if they in fact pursue it, you may have that obligation to pay. But how do you again avoid or eliminate that risk? By the time a borrower faces foreclosure, they're very open to the possibility of filing bankruptcy, which eliminates all personal liability. Whether it's a Chapter 13 with a 5-year payment plan or a Chapter 7 with an immediate discharge. Nonetheless, even if you file bankruptcy prematurely prior to a foreclosure, you're only eliminating personal liability, not the security or collateral. The title to the car will continue to have a lien, and the house title will still have a mortgage, which entitles the lender to complete the foreclosure if not paid in full. So again, a mortgage is simply a security instrument guaranteeing the lender that they will get paid, otherwise they can repossess the property, sell it at auction, and recoup what they can. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was useful. If you've enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing.